Quick intro then. The plan for today is shred the private woods on the 190 Beast. I've had a little look around. I can see there's been a few alterations around the track, but also you'll probably notice that it hasn't been ridden for a while, so we're going to change that today. Here we are then, on board with the GoPro. Is it going to start? Yes, it did work that time. Goggles down. Let's get to it. Let's go this way first. Nothing too serious. Just really... Whoa, that was a really good start, Johnny. There's a bit of a step down there introduced here, look. Whoa. That's a bit confident on your first attempt at that. Bit of back brake, let's go like this. Gear then. Nearly clipped the tree. Now where's it going? Through here. Back out there. Oh, something along here. Ah, stalled. Turn straight away then. That berm gone all the wrong way. Whoa, sugar. Nearly overshot then, luckily. There's a path. On this berm there. I can't see where these are going, some of these trails. This section's pretty good actually. Don't get carried away though. I want to turn right here, so somewhere. There it is. Back brake. Lovely stuff. Wow, I've just pulled up at the second location and this place hasn't been neglected. There's like loads of little jumps everywhere now. And where I created these hill climbs, I can see they've been used. There's a lot more to it. I'm really surprised. It's really smoothed out as well. They've done some work up here, whoever's been doing this. Goes right back there. There's actually, I'll show you. Look, it looks like something from Red Bull Hardline. There's a massive drop down there. It curves up. This is beyond me. But fair play to whoever's done this. Anyway, let's get ready to shred this place. Hopefully that's not going to get in my way. I'm so surprised about the work that's gone on up here, and I didn't see any of it. It would be more suited towards the Saron, that's for sure, but we're going to see what we can do. Definitely looks interesting. And before I forget, this is broke already. Look at that. It can roll forward, you've just got to keep it tight. Piece of junk. What have they done here? That bit. I think I'm definitely not going to try any of that. That's a really good place to have left there. Feel a little bit out of control on all these small jumps. Bit of a climb. Seems to be some ways are blocked off. It's completely changed. Little line. This is just not suited for this pit bike. They're too short. Let me go down here then. Anyway, certainly satisfied my appetite for a bit of a ride I had about an hour to kill, and this was my choice to kill that hour. I've just got to bring my Saron up here. I think that would be perfect. One day, anyway. Right then, I'm just going to have a mess around here on my own, and I might set up the hand camera and take some footage from the jumps, but I'm unsure. I'm sort of feeling a little bit lazy now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this upload, and maybe we should see you in the future. MOTO Machines out. I was just getting on so well with this, and now I'm so disappointed that it's gone limp. Obviously once you got the tension it's fine, but it's just felt a little bit dodgy today when you sort of put a bit of pressure on the bars and that rolls forward. It's not a good feeling really. You want to feel like you've got hold of something, not that it's just nothing there. Guess I'll have to take that off and put the old one back on then. Never mind.